Hi, and welcome to a real quick Labor Day evening video and showing you what's new in the outhouse. Let's get this camera switched around and take a quick look at what we got going. Okay, well, right over here, we're printing some saber-tooth keychains and some bat keychains. We got this area over here cleaned up a bit. I can't work in an area that doesn't look very well. These are obviously items that I need to finish rubbing and buffing. The prospector is for my friend up north. He decided he wanted 6 of them. So I am rubbing and buffing them in gold and in silver. And here we got some of the finished items. This is a new storage rack that I got. This place is so small, I need storage. Then over here, we got a new light box to shoot, obviously, pictures of products. And then I did want to show you this. There is a little bit of stringing down at the very bottom there on the stress test for the Qidi, or the Qidi. I need to learn how to say that properly. But other than that, I mean, I didn't set anything up, no slicer settings or anything like that. It did really well. I'm enjoying this light box, takes great pictures. Over here, we got our scale. Here, we got our Munbin little label printer. And then we got the Qidi going. This is the first real print. I tried doing something else, and for some reason, it was giving me a G-code error. So I switched over to this because it was going to allow this to print. Now, I am going to say this is extremely quiet. I mean, you can hear the 2 flash forges, but you can't hear this. Moving on to the Soval. I need to flash the motherboard in order to get it to read. I have actually a new extruder coming, but it's stuck in China, unfortunately. So yeah, that's great. And then over here, we got our rack system going. And then back over and around. Not much to see, but it is looking more and more like a business. All right, I'm going to let you folks get on with your Monday evening. Have a great rest of your Labor Day. Talk to you later.